एससीओ की बैठक में राजनाथ सिंह पहुंचे हुए हैं और एससीओ की बैठक में राजनाथ सिंह ने पाक को दो टूक कही है
और साथ ही साथ आतंकवाद पर पाकिस्तान को भारत ने खरी सुनाई है। आतंकवाद से निपटने के लिए निर्णायक कार्रवाई की बात कही गई है और ये बताया गया है कि आतंकवाद से निपटने के लिए निर्णायक कार्रवाई बेहद जरूरी है। और इस बैठक में तमाम मुद्दों पर चर्चा हुई, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा जो अहम मुद्दे थे वो आतंकवाद और उग्रवाद का था, क्योंकि आतंकवाद को बड़ी चुनौती भारत की तरफ से राजनाथ सिंह ने दी है। और इसी मामले में राजनाथ सिंह क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं, सुनिए।
सिक्योरिटी फील्ड, थैंक यू वेरी मच जक्सन जी।
谢谢辛格布朗格先生。
बेहद अहम फैसला भी भारत की तरफ से है।
However, in these efforts, it is essential to uphold the basic principles of the SCO Charter, particularly respecting the sovereignty and the traditional integrity of member states. India has been consistent and steadfast in its policy in support of peace, security and stability in Afghanistan. Our immediate priorities in Afghanistan include providing humanitarian assistance to Afghan people and contributing to Afghanistan's overall developmental needs. As Afghanistan's largest regional development partner, India continues to implement capacity building initiatives for the Afghan people. Excellencies, the COVID-19 pandemic has laid bare the fact that the pandemics recognize no boundaries and that no one is safe till everyone is safe. This is a warning sign of how non-traditional security challenges like pandemics, climate change, food and water security and associated societal disruption can impact our people's lives. These emerging challenges cannot be addressed without responsible policies and cooperation among nations. India's initiative on Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure aims not only at promotion of disaster resilient infrastructure, but also infrastructure risk management, standards, financing and recovery, etc. It is also an example of how countries are coming together to create and share capabilities to deal with humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. We have affirmed this intent through our policy through the acronym SAGAR, which implies security and growth for all in the region, and India's expanded vision Mahasagar, meaning mutual and holistic advancement for security and growth across regions. Security and stability are most essential components to create a conducive environment for growth and economic development of the region. India has sought to build consensus on dealing with global challenges on the basis of motto One Earth, One Family, One Future, which is founded on our civilizational ethos of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Mutual understanding and mutual benefit must be our guiding principles. Excellency, India supports greater cooperation and mutual trust among SCO members. We should collectively aspire to fulfill the aspirations and expectations of our people as well as tackle today's challenges. We must all be in lockstep in our endeavor in strengthening stability and security in our neighborhood. Excellency, I am optimistic that today's discussions would help us to deepen the understanding of our shared security challenges and explore new areas for future cooperation in the defense and the security field. Thank you very much, Excellency.
रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह को सुना आपने, जो चीन के दौरे पर पहुंचे हुए और एससीओ समिट में संबोधन अपना दे रहे थे।